Welcome to our session on SAP Forms. We'll talk about how they simplify data presentation and help business transactions. They're not just functional, but enhance the user experience too. Imagine streamlined information flow that makes processes smoother. Sounds like magic, right? I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Here's why SAP Forms are essential. They handle dynamic data effortlessly and generate reports for better decision-making. They are a communication bridge in business and ensure your data is accurate. Basically, they keep everything on point. No room for sloppy paperwork here. Now let's dive into the types of forms. SAPscript is highly customizable. SmartForms add flexibility, and Adobe Forms brings sleek, modern designs. Whether you're a minimalist or love the bells and whistles, SAP has you covered. Let's compare the big players. SAPscript is basic yet solid. SmartForms offer advanced functionality, and Adobe Forms deliver top-notch interactive PDFs. Picking the right one is like picking a dessert. Depends on your cravings and needs. Ready to start developing SAP Forms? First, understand the form requirements. Then learn the basics and explore tools available. Oh, and don't forget best practices. They're like the GPS of form development. Creating an SAPscript form is easier than you think. Just open the editor, define your layout, and add the text elements. Remember, testing and validation are crucial, like proofreading your masterpiece. SmartForms design is all about efficiency. Use the form builder and organize elements wisely. Templates are your best friends, and previewing is like testing a new recipe before serving. It saves you from surprises. Integrating data. Connect your forms with SAP modules and ensure data compatibility. Validate mappings to avoid mix-ups and automate data population. It's like setting your coffee machine to brew when you wake up. Adding graphics and tables takes your forms to the next level. Images convey ideas, and tables structure data nicely. Choose visuals wisely. They are the icing on your cake, but don't overdo it. Adobe Forms are powerful tools within SAP that make designing and customizing forms simple. Today, we'll dive into their role and explore their flexibility, integration capabilities, and practical use cases. By the end, you'll see why they're not just tech gimmicks, but valuable allies in optimizing workflows with a touch of elegance. Forms are not just for show. They are for sharing. Whether printing them out or exporting as digital PDFs, SAP gives you the tools for any scenario. We'll look into print options, customizing outputs, digital forms, and ensuring compatibility. So, let's make your forms not just functional, but fabulously versatile. Debugging isn't a dreaded chore. It's a skill. Troubleshooting forms might sound daunting, but it's your ticket to smooth operations. We'll touch on tools, logs, techniques, and ways to prevent issues in the future. Debugging forms is basically turning your chaos into order. With style, let's get your forms from good to great, or from meh to magnificent. From guidelines and design to optimization and testing, these best practices are your trusty toolkit for outstanding forms development. Imagine being the Michelangelo of SAP Forms, but with less marble and more code. Every form developer faces hiccups. It's the nature of the beast. We'll tackle formatting woes, integration challenges, performance bottlenecks, and compatibility hiccups. Think of these issues as plot twists in your journey to becoming the hero of SAP Forms. The future is bright, and SAP Forms are getting smarter and faster. AI, cloud-based systems, real-time analytics, and new standards are revolutionizing forms development. Together, let's take a sneak peek into the cutting-edge trends shaping the world of SAP Forms. Congratulations! You've made it through the world of SAP Forms. We'll recap the highlights, focus on next steps, and encourage continuous learning and curiosity. Remember, your Forms journey doesn't end here. It evolves. Let's conquer the future of SAP Forms together. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.